Do you know many people are having trouble with their HP Pavilion dv9500 showing a black screen? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check lid switch. Check if the lid switch works by pressing it. It might be stuck, causing the screen to be mistakenly detected as closed. Step 2. Brightness adjustment. Adjust the brightness settings. It's possible the screen appears black because the brightness is set too low. Step 3. Connect monitor. Connect to an external monitor. This determines if the screen issue is with the laptop's display. Step 4. Inspect cable. If the external display works, inspect the laptop's display cable for any damage or bent pins. Step 5. Replace components. Consider replacing the display or system board if both internal and external displays show no video. After following these steps, your HP Pavilion dv9500 should be displaying correctly again. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.